Hi, I'm Paul Meeks. 20 years ago, I started Worthington Products from the basement of my house. Back then, I had two things going for me. I had a little product called TUFFBOOM, and I had a set of values that I founded this company on. And I'm standing here in front of a wall that shows some of those values. Things like doing it right the first time, providing our customers with an exceptional experience, and that's always been our promise to all of our customers. This is one of my favorites, integrity and trust, because you know what? Our relationship with you, it may involve a transaction, but it is not about that transaction. We want to make sure we do it right for you. And finally, actions over words. We want to make sure that our actions speak so much louder than our words. So whatever happened to TUFFBOOM? Well, we still have it. Come with me, I'm going to show you. Here's our TUFFBOOM barrier. Many of you have these at your sites. Many of you have seen it. In fact, one thing that we are so proud of is that this product here is installed in more than 63 countries around the world. That's a pretty incredible statistic. Now, TUFFBOOM has a bigger sister now called the TUFFBOOM XL. TUFFBOOM XL is a 24-inch diameter by 15-foot long boom. It's filled with foam and it has a massive steel channel on the inside. These products here are what most people know us for. It's what we call our range of molded plastic booms. And I'm going to show you what's on the wall here. People know us for the molded plastic, but what you might not know is that we also manufacture booms from steel, from HDPE pipe, and we have custom-made booms. So I'm going to show you some things you might not know. I'm standing here in front of what we call our tough steel. As the word implies, that's a steel pontoon, and that is one strong boom. We use these in cold weather environments where it just gets wickedly cold in the winter, and we need something that's going to stand up to the freezing, the ice, and the elements, and this product will do it. We offer it in pontoon style or with screens underneath. We custom engineer this for every site, and we offer these in lengths or diameters from 18 inches up to 48 inches and lengths up to 48 feet long. Custom designed boom, fantastic. You will love it if you're a cold weather customer. Now, I'm going to show you one of our newest products, and we call this the Oden Boom. And this is something we are so excited about. What is the Oden Boom? It's an HDPE pipe boom, which is thick-walled. We offer these in 3/4 inch and 1.5 inch wall thicknesses. This boom can come in anywhere up to a 48-foot length, a 24-inch diameter, and this is one strong material. You're going to get, on something like this, you're going to get a life anywhere from 35 to 45 years out of the Oden Boom. Our steel pontoons, we call this a 25 to 35 year life boom. And then our molded plastic booms, we call those a 17 to 20 year boom. Now let me show you a couple other items. Some of you may already know that Worthington is very heavily involved in public safety around dams. We're passionate about it. We offer a couple barriers designed for the tail race and sometimes in a head pond for public safety booms. This is called our Boat Buster. Our original Boat Buster is a 36-inch diameter by 48-inch long float. But Boat Buster has a bigger sister now, and this is called the Boat Buster HD. This is a 4-foot diameter by 6-foot long boom. It's connected with some pretty darn heavy chain. This is designed for a spillway or a tail race where your flows are just ripping and you need a boom that can withstand the abuse that it's going to get. Now, one area that I am absolutely excited to tell you about is our custom engineered products division. And this is an example of one of those. So come with me as we walk outside, and we're going to show you what we call the Boat Buster 20. This is just one example of a Boat Buster 20 barrier. These are custom designed floats. Why are they called a Boat Buster 20? For one reason. We use the Boat Buster float as the flotation. But what is this product? It's a steel barrier. It's a strong steel barrier. And we design these for massive debris flows. I'll give you an example. We just completed a project last year in Malawi, of all places, where the national power grid was shut down because Hyacinth blocked the power plant intakes. They needed a long-term solution. They need a proper solution. They turned to Worthington Products, and we designed for them a fantastic engineered Boatbuster 20 style barrier system that now collects all of that hyacinth and keeps the lights on in Malawi. This is what you can expect from Worthington. So 20 years later, where are we? We're molded plastic, we're HDPE pipe, we're steel pontoons, and we're custom designed booms. And one thing has not changed though during those 20 years. And those are our values. And I've got my business card here. And on the back side of my business card and every business card of all of our associates, you will find our values printed. It reminds us every day of what's important to us. And one thing I can promise you is that you will always get an exceptional experience with Worthington Products. That's our promise, that's my promise, and you're going to get it from us. Thank you so much. We hope to work with you on a project tomorrow. Thank you.